Freedom of movement, freedom of choice. The things we value most are the things we are deprived of. Nobody values freedom more than a person confined to a wheelchair. For people with disabilities, Russia is like Sparta. Venturing out into the street is like throwing yourself off a cliff. There are tragically few public places that are wheelchair accessible or otherwise equipped to suit the needs of people with disabilities. In order to make a new location truly accessible for people with disabilities, it doesn't just need to be equipped with ramps and lifts. People need to know it exists. It's important to open this location on the city map. The Sochi 2014 Organizing Committee, the One Country Foundation, and Samsung have made it their goal to inform people with disabilities about nearby accessible city facilities. The solution: to develop a website and a mobile application. The foundation of the mobile app is an interactive map of accessible venues in Russia, which can help people with disabilities find locations where they can participate in sports, take classes, or recreate. All you need to do is choose the necessary city and street, and the map will show all the accessible venues in the city. You can also apply a filter to choose the necessary category of a venue. For example, a school or a fitness club. When you tap on the name of the venue, you will see the detailed information about it. Anybody can enter information about a venue. You just need to find it on the map, choose its category, and indicate barrier-free environment elements. You can make photos on the spot or upload them from your smartphone gallery. After a volunteer moderator of the website checks this information, the venue is added to the map. After a year of operation, the project now includes over 12,000 venues in more than 600 cities. Thanks to the accessibility map, millions of people with locomotor system disorders, hearing and visual impairments, mommies with strollers and rollers have got access to a barrier-free environment. Having limited information is like having limited abilities. Being informed means being free.